Hi guys, welcome back to part 11 of the build of the Porsche here. And we are going to be building the main frame, which goes on here, on top here. We're going to be building the main frame. The way I'm going to do this is we're going to do 15 minutes. And then we are going to continue on. I will do a 15-minute video and we will see how far we are going to get. So, because this is all about the frame of the car. So the title of this video is going to be the frame assembly. So I'm going to find the parts first and then we will build the frame. So I'll pause the video here and while I sort out the parts that I need, and we'll be back after that. And that's the way I'm gonna do it this time round. Alright, we have the parts here. So we're gonna start off with this part here. Might be able to see better that way. Alright, we are in. Now we are gonna continue on up here. We need those three parts here. Alright, with that part done. And now we're gonna see where this piece fits onto the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera here, pull the car over, so that part here is going to go on top of the frame here. That is going to be part of the frame, so we're going to put that on and see what it looks like. Alright, and here it is, the frame of the car here, and everything is nice and sturdy now as well. Alright, so let's see if we can build the other side. Alright, for the next part is we need that bit up there. That, it goes probably here in the center somewhere. And that will go on here somewhere. So we have to turn the car the other way around, so we can work on this side here. There it is, piece in there that we just built. We need one of them. That is a 9-holer, and I think that will go down in there like that. And we have pushed that one here right through, which holds that piece here in place. That guy next, that is gonna go, let's see where that will go. Right through there and through there as well. had to push that one here right through onto that piece there, so that cross member here is gonna hold onto this piece here. So now we need to build all that up here, and I'm gonna sort out the pieces for here so we can build that. That is probably gonna be it's either gonna be the front end or it's gonna be, I don't know where that will go yet. I have to find that out where that will go. So we are gonna find them pieces first, and then we're gonna build that. Alright. So now, this piece here, and we need the color as well. The angle here. Now we're going to put on the red one. I'm going to stick a little axle in there. And another color. So the whole thing will look something like that. So let's see where that will go. Gonna bring the car up. That will go right on here. We're still building part of the frame here, so that will go on there like that. And we are on. Alright, doing good so far. Alright, next page. We're gonna build that piece up there. Alright. So we need a two-holer like that. And then we need two of the blue ones, blue pegs, with the peg on one side and a little shaft on the other side. Like that. Okay, then we need the other two. No, we don't need the other two. We need that one there again, and we're gonna put on that one right there. We're gonna just put them on like that. like so. And we're gonna put that one, probably goes on here like that. And we need to build another one as well, so we're gonna build the second one. That goes on there like that, so we need to build another one of them. I'm gonna put the first one down and build the second one, because it says 2 times, so we need 2 of them. And here's the second one. Alright, so we have 2 of them. Let's see where that one will go. And like I said, this is part 11, building the frame around the car. Alright, so I'm going to put the camera here again. Bring the car over like that. And see where all that will go. Those 2 here, I'm gonna grab the other one. They are gonna go in here, and the other one is gonna go in here, but from the inside like that. So I'm gonna have to see if I can get those inside like that. I'm gonna have to do that off camera, and I'll be back when those 2 pieces are sitting in there. So here we are, guys. Those 2 pieces went in here. Just to give that here an extra support, that is probably going to be for something. And we're going to see that in that page over there. And we need to put on stickers as well. So we have here 3 minutes left. I'm going to use those 3 minutes to put the pegs on the platform here and put the stickers on as well. And then we are practically done with this page here and the frame, I think. Alright, so we need the stickers. We need them 3 here, 40, 44 and 45. And we need these 3 parts here. Piece there. One will go on there like that. The other one like that. And the top one on like so. And now we're going to put the stickers on. That is 1 sticker. That was sticker number 40. Sticker 40. Next sticker is number 44. It's that one right there. Sticker number 44. And the last one is going to be sticker number 45. Alright, sticker number 45 here. That's the way the whole thing looks. Alright, we have 1 minute left. We're in 14 minutes into the video. I'm going to put this guy onto the car. So let's see where that one will go. I'm going to bring the car up. And it's going to go on here. That's where it's going to go, so let's put it on there. Alright, and we are done with this page here. And we are practically done with the frame on that side of the car. We put in a couple of stickers here, a pad here, and 2 square flat pieces here with the stickers on here. And yeah. No, so let me know in comments below what you guys think of this Lego car here. And if you have built it before, or if anybody else has built anything else as well, Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.